nutrients that can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. We'll cover everything from vibrant fruits and vegetables to wholesome grains and healthy fats. But it's not just about listing foods. We'll also share tips on incorporating these cleansing foods into your daily meals. You'll learn how simple changes can significantly impact your liver health. Understanding fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is a condition characterized by the accumulation of excess fat in liver cells. It can be classified into two main types: alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is caused by excessive alcohol consumption, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, which occurs in individuals who drink little to no alcohol. NAFLD is becoming increasingly common and is often associated with obesity, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. The causes of fatty liver disease can vary widely. Factors such as poor diet, lack of physical activity, obesity, and certain medications can contribute to the development of this condition. Genetics and hormonal imbalances may also affect how fat is processed in the liver. Risk factors include being overweight, high cholesterol, and sedentary lifestyle. Understanding the implications of fatty liver disease is crucial, as it can lead to more severe liver conditions, including inflammation, fibrosis, and even cirrhosis, if left untreated. This is where diet becomes vital in managing and potentially reversing the disease. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, healthy fats, and antioxidants can help reduce liver fat and improve overall liver function. By making informed dietary choices, individuals can take proactive steps toward better liver health and significantly lower their risk of complications associated with fatty liver disease. Top foods for liver health. Certain foods stand out for their powerful detoxifying properties, which promote liver health. Let's explore some of the best foods that can support liver function and help cleanse this vital organ. First are leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula. These nutrient-dense vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, which helps absorb toxins from the bloodstream and neutralizes harmful substances. Incorporating leafy greens into your meals can enhance your liver's detoxification ability. Next, we have avocados. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, particularly glutathione, crucial in detoxifying the liver. Studies suggest that avocados help reduce liver fat and improve overall liver function, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Garlic is another powerhouse food for liver health. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes that are responsible for flushing out toxins. Additionally, garlic is rich in allicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the liver from damage. To reap the benefits of these foods, consider adding them to your daily meals. Toss leafy greens into salads, blend avocados into smoothies, or use garlic as a flavor enhancer in your favorite dishes. Incorporating these liver-friendly foods into your diet can support your liver's natural detoxification processes and promote overall health. Start making these delicious changes today for a healthier tomorrow. Fruits that fight fatty liver. Certain fruits can be particularly beneficial for supporting liver health. Here are the top fruits that help cleanse the liver and promote well-being. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them vibrant colors. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, making berries a fantastic choice for liver support. Enjoy them as a snack, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie for a delicious treat. Citrus fruits, including oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are also excellent for liver health. They are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants that aid in detoxification. Citrus fruits help stimulate the production of enzymes in the liver, which are essential for breaking down toxins. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water or enjoying a grapefruit for breakfast can be a simple yet effective way to boost your liver health. Apples are another fruit that deserves a spot on your plate. They contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps cleanse the digestive tract and supports liver function. Apples are also rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making them nutritious snacks. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet is easy and enjoyable. Whether you snack on them throughout the day or blend them into smoothies, these liver-friendly fruits can help you improve your health. So grab a handful of berries or slice up an apple and start reaping the benefits today. Herbs and